Got that urgent expense? Need to tap into those hard-earned savings? The question we hear all the time is, how exactly do I withdraw money from my BrioDirect high-yield savings account quickly and easily? It's a great question, because with online banks, the process isn't always as simple as walking up to an ATM or a teller. BrioDirect is designed to keep your money safe and growing, and accessing it follows specific digital rules. But don't worry, it's straightforward once you know the pathways. Unlike a traditional bank with branches and ATMs, BrioDirect is an online-only bank, which means the most common and efficient way to withdraw funds is through an electronic transfer. Here's your step-by-step guide to accessing your money. The primary method is using the External Transfers feature within your BrioDirect online banking portal or mobile app. This lets you move money from your BrioDirect savings account to a linked checking or savings account at another bank, for example, your primary checking account. Step 1. Link your accounts. Before you can transfer money out, you must have an external checking or savings account linked. You can usually do this by providing the routing number and account number for your other bank account in the BrioDirect online portal. This step might take a couple of business days for BrioDirect to verify the link, typically through small micro deposits. Step 2. Initiate the transfer. Once your account is linked, log into your BrioDirect online banking. Navigate to the Transfers or External Transfers section. Select your BrioDirect savings account as the from account, and the external linked account as the to account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transfer. These external transfers are usually processed via the Automated Clearing House, or ACH, network. This is secure, reliable, and generally free. However, it's important to remember that ACH transfers are not instant. They typically take 1 to 3 business days to fully process and for the funds to show up in your receiving bank account. Alternative withdrawal option. If an electronic transfer doesn't work for your situation, you do have another option, especially if you need to close the account or transfer a large sum, requesting a wire transfer or a check. For these methods, you will generally need to call BrioDirect's customer service. A representative can assist you with initiating a wire transfer, though be aware that wires usually involve a fee, or mailing a check to the address on file for your account. In summary, for routine withdrawals, stick to the external transfer feature in your online banking for a free and convenient process. Just be sure to plan ahead for that 1 to 3 day processing time. That's the rundown on getting your money out of BrioDirect. Managing your high-yield savings is all about smart deposits and smart withdrawals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.